Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and yes, I have another dolly unboxing for you today. Obviously we have Snow White here in the box. If you missed it, I've already unboxed this other Disney princess doll recently, Tiana, and I will put a link to her unboxing video in the description box below. Yes, super cute. Alright, so this is Snow White. She's the second doll I've purchased in this line of dolls, and like I said in my previous video with Tiana, I am thinking of collecting these. Well, I guess I am now that I have two. But I've been looking for a reasonably priced doll to collect that speaks to me. And yeah, who doesn't like Disney? So let's get her out of this box if I can. In fact, I guess I should show you the box first. They have really nice illustrations on these boxes. I do not keep doll boxes, but I will have to say this is very tempting to keep because I do think these illustrations are really nice. I wish they were maybe a little bit less subtle in the coloring, but obviously it's very pretty. They have the wire around her arms. Whew, goodness. He was in there. Okay, wowee. Get her dressed back here. Yeah, so that ends up making little holes. I don't know if that will heal or not. It's this type of fabric. I'm thinking it's not going to close those holes up. If this was cotton, it would be all right, but this fabric is like a polyester blend. So now these little things are stuck in there. Whoa, that took some doing to get that little bit out of there. All right, let's get some paper here. All right, so her hair is very, oh my goodness. Her hair is like solid. This is super hard. These are going to be just like fun display dolls for me that I don't have to put in my curio or anything like that. So I'm okay with that. It's not like I plan to do hairstyles with them or really, like take them out and take pictures and things like that too much, or even sew for them. But wow, that's funny. That's just cracks me up. Her hair does not move at all. So, and I think, honestly, I think these are really good dolls. I think the age on here is 3 and up. Yes, it says 3 plus, so otherwise they're a choking hazard. So if you were thinking of purchasing something like this for a child above the age of 3, I could see how these would be super fun. She's really cute, just like Tiana. She has very movable arms, and she's got these painted on undies. Their legs are these rubbery kind. They bend once. And that's kind of it. One bend. But it's weird they do this. Look at this. They come out to the side. Is that so strange or what? I'm not sure what the point of that is. They don't move a lot they're kind of stiff this way, but they pop off to the side. The waists also do not move. Like you can't bend the waist around. It's all one solid piece. So they claim that these dolls are, posable or, whatever, but they're limited in their posability, I would say. But for the price, I think they are a fun doll. I really like her costumes, very cute, pretty dress. I guess this I'm not keen on. Maybe I could put some water in there and see if those little holes will heal up. And you can see like they really haven't finished. They've just, like, there's no hem or anything on this. It's just cut, but this type of fabric isn't going to ravel. Same thing with her piece around her head. And this is all one piece. This dress is all one piece. In fact, I don't think you can take, yeah, even the cape is connected. So you can't take the cape off. But they are cute, cute dolls. I will be getting more of these. I have some more that I'm actually ordering right now. They're in my cart as we speak. I just have to figure out, because I kind of want them all, who to get. And by the way, in my previous video, I said I wasn't sure what the release date was. The release date is 2020. So, yeah, the release date on both these dolls is a 2020 release date, which may be why they're on sale right now as I film this. Not that they will be when this is published, but you can see they have very different face molds. In fact, her mouth is open. Her mouth is closed. They're both smiling, of course. Have very, yeah, their face molds are quite different, so that's nice to see. It's not just like everybody has the same face mold. You can see their profiles there. But yeah, so these girls are the first of my Disney classic doll collection. Anna and Snow White. These are the first two of my Disney doll collection. I think they look really cute together. I like that the skirts have a similar look to them. So far, I do like these dolls. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And in fact, if any of you out there are collecting these dolls, I'd like to know what your thoughts are as far as the different releases. And any place that maybe you can point me to about more information. I have found some YouTube videos that have been helpful, but if there are any websites or blogs, please add the URLs in the comments below. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for coming by. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.